guys, just landed in Nong Khiaw, just walking from the bus stop, and I just wanted to show you this view. Man, the scenery is stunning. Here we go. So I've just landed and just put my bag down, and I've been on a bus for 7 hours, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go for a bit of a hike. There are 4 viewpoints around Nong Khiaw, so I'm gonna go to the one that's right next to my hostel because the sun is going down and I've got to get up there yet, so I better get moving. Yeah, it's pretty steep, this one. Or maybe I'm just trying to run up it. We'll get there before sunset. Good morning from Nong Khiaw. I'm off to check out the morning markets as always, but I'm just got to cross over the river here, and I hope you can see the mist that is running down the river. It looks incredible. So this down here is my hostel, right on the river. See these tables and chairs right down here. That's where I'm going to be having breakfast when I come back from the morning markets. Yeah. View right over the river. It's incredible. Sunset was beautiful, obviously. So yeah, let's go see what the morning markets have got to offer. So, after a little bit of reading, I've discovered there's actually quite a lot of walking, hiking that you can do here just independently. So I'm off to a lookout, a viewpoint. Now, obviously, as you can see, like, it's just mountains all around, just hills. So everything is just an uphill to a viewpoint. I won't bore you with the in-between bit, and I'll see you at the top. Okay guys, I think we're almost there. I think just at the top of this ladder, we're going to have the big reveal. You're totally enclosed by the jungle on the way up, so you get no view. So I'm going to share this with you at the same time that I see it. Oh my god. Oh. Are you seeing this? Woohoo! down there, that's pretty much, that's where I started off. So this side of the river here, that's where my hostel is. That's Nong Khiaw centre. Walked up the road here a little, and then all the way up here. And this is what they call a 360-degree lookout. And you can see why. This is unreal. I'm here by myself. It's 30,000 kip to get up here, but you don't need a guide, and that's what's amazing about these viewpoints, you know, is that I think it's all the same, you know, you pay an entrance fee and then you just do the walk yourself, so you can take it at your own pace, which I really love, you know. And the tracks are so easy to follow, you really can't go wrong, and I guess that's why they'll let you go on your own. But they do warn you, you know, stay on the track, because this is Laos. There's still a fair bit of ordnance around, and so they don't let you know, don't go off the tracks. There are signs around just telling you, right, I'm going to go and enjoy this, and I'll see you at the next one. Alright guys, second viewpoint of the day. So I had a little bit of a break in between. So I think this one's called Sleeping Lady viewpoint or something. So I'll just show you where we're going. So I just left the hostel, crossing the bridge. Okay, so up there. So that point up there should give us a really, really good view of the sunset. Let's see how their legs hold up. Crazy. All right, I'll see you at the top. Guys, I think we're nearly at the top, so let's enjoy this one together as well. Oh, yes. Oh, there is a stunning breeze over the top. Oh, but it keeps going. How do you get up there? Alright, we had a little sneak peek, but it's time for the big reveal. Here we go. Oh my God. Wow. How incredible was that? Alright, so just out of context, so this is where we were this morning, right on that little peak. Hi. This is a meal, another stunning one. So I'd say this was pretty, I don't know whether it was because I did the one this morning. This one was pretty tough, solidly uphill. Got a sweat on. But is it worth it? Yes, 100%. Wow, we really are at the peak. So there were a couple of people up here already, but I seem to have scared them off. I don't know why you would leave before the sunset, but anyway, now I have the whole place to myself, and it is unreal. I've got to say, I think Nong Khiaw is the most stunning place that I've ever been to. The natural beauty of the place is just incredible. The way that the mountains, the cliffs, it just goes on forever, and the river running through it. It's just, I'm absolutely blown away by the natural beauty of the place. I love it. I love it. Morning. So I got up super early this morning. It was still pitch black, just so I could hike up to this viewpoint and watch the sunrise. And it's absolutely stunning. A little bit chilly, but stunning. Okay, back from the morning walk, back at the hostel for breakfast. And I've got noodle soup for breakfast, which is nice and warming. I mean, the noodle soup itself is nothing to shout about. You do get obviously all your condiments to pimp it up, but just the setting. How about this for a breakfast? Straight in, some nice warm noodle soup. Yeah. It's all about the noodle soups here in Laos for me. Nice, warming, loads of noodles. What's different here than in Thailand is the use of dill. They like the dill here, which is really, nice change. Alright guys, another viewpoint. My legs are killing me already. I can tell after that walk this morning, well after yesterday, the day before, I don't know, I've lost count of how many viewpoints we've done now. Anyway, I know my legs are killing me. So this could be a slow one, but we're gonna do it. Okay guys, we're almost there. I'm gonna experience this one together again. Okay, you ready for it? The big reveal. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my God. It never gets old, does it? Let's have a look up here. What a view. Guys, I love bringing you these amazing adventures. Don't know if I can do any more viewpoints. My legs are killing me. I've done, I think, all the viewpoints now in Nong Khiaw, apart from one. And that one is right up there, not quite on the top of the mountain, but just below the summit. That's a monster, that one. But I think tomorrow I want to get down on the water and experience that side of things. Not a bad way to spend Christmas Day, is it? It doesn't feel very Christmassy. Certainly doesn't look very Christmassy, does it? All right, let's take this view in one more time. Come out on the boat, awesome, beautiful day, and yeah, just wanted to get out on the water a little bit. You know, Nong Khiaw has got this absolutely stunning river running right the way through it. It's so nice to get out on the water. So today, there's going to be viewpoints, there's waterfalls, caves, and then we're going to check out a couple of the villages upstream or upriver here a little bit, and yeah, have a little bit more of a relaxed day. I think that's the plan. Another viewpoint accomplished. Yeah, legs are still killing me. So this is Mong Noi village. So Nong Khiaw is down the river that way. So we've come up the river about an hour. So this village here is only accessible by boat. So yeah, we just went to the caves. Caves are like halfway up on the way to the viewpoint here. And nice set of caves, but they were used as a base for the war, during the war, and there were first aid sort of hospital operations like in that cave. So there's still a few bits and pieces left in there from what they call the Indochina war. Yeah, stunning though, isn't it?